Hello dear students, let us learn today different types of rainfall. So the first one, convectional rainfall. It mostly occurs in equatorial zone. Next one, orographic rainfall, mostly occurs in mountain regions. Cyclonic rainfall mostly occurs near doldrums when trade winds meet. Okay, so basically convectional rainfall, it happens when intense heating of the surface, abundant supply of moisture takes place. Orographic rainfall happens where moisture laden winds and due to atmospheric pressure. And cyclonic rainfall, mass of warm air meets the cold air. Okay,